In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a background transparent in Canva.com. Transparent backgrounds are incredibly useful when you want your subject to sit cleanly on different colors. Websites, slide decks, or product mockups without a distracting backdrop. The process in Canva is quick and beginner-friendly, and I'll walk you through it from start to finish. First, open your design in Canva so you can see the image you want to work with on your canvas. Make sure the image layer is selected. You'll notice a toolbar appear along the top when it's active. In that top toolbar, click Edit Photo, then choose BG Remover. Canva will analyze the image and automatically remove the background for you. Give it a moment to process. When it's done, you should see your main subject isolated with the background cleared away. If the option for BG Remover isn't visible, that usually means it's part of Canva's Pro features. So availability can depend on your plan. Either way, the idea here is simple: select the image. Let Canva detect the subject and remove the background in one click. Once your background looks the way you want it, it's time to export the image in a format that supports transparency. This part also uses a Pro feature. Go to the top right corner and click Share. From the menu that opens, click Download. In the File Type section, select PNG. PNG is the standard format for images with transparent backgrounds because it preserves quality and supports an invisible backdrop. Next, check the box labeled Transparent Background. This is the key setting that keeps your background clear when you use the image elsewhere. Finally, click Download to save the file to your computer. A couple of quick tips to help you get the best results. High contrast images, where your subject stands out clearly from the background, tend to remove more cleanly. Transparent PNGs also work best when placed over colors, gradients, or photos that complement your subject. So think about where you plan to use the image. If you are preparing assets for a brand kit, keeping your exports in PNG ensures consistent edges and clean placement across different designs. And remember, JPEGs don't support transparency, so always stick with PNG when you need that see-through background. That's it. Thanks for watching.